Eulogy ni Jake Ejercito sa wake ng veteran actress na si Jacqueline Jose. Madamdamin ang eulogy na inalay ni Jake Ejercito para sa namayapang aktres na si Jacqueline Jose. Si Jacqueline ay natagpuang wala ng buhay sa kanyang bahay sa Marikina noong 3 ng Marso taong 2024. Atake sa puso ang itinuturong dahilan ng pagpanaw ng magaling na aktres. Sinariwa ni Jake ang mga alaala niya kay Jacqueline at kung paano sila naging malapit sa paglipas ng taon. One of the many titas who would share a table with my mom, Larnie Enriquez, at the countless children's parties we would attend each year. Pagbabalik tanaw ni Jake, I don't remember interacting with her that much aside from the usual beso. She was just that tita who appeared with a facial burn on TV and that tita who had a daughter who looked like a doll and almost never spoke. Ang tinutukoy ni Jake na daughter who looked like a doll ay ang anak ni Jacqueline na si Andy Eigenman. Eventually ay naging magkasintahan sina Jake at Andy, at dito nagsimula maging malapit ang aktor kay Jacqueline. Indulgent, fun, at cowboy, kung ilarawan ni Jake si Jacqueline noong nakilala na niya ito ng mas mabuti. She would at times join Andy and I on our dates to the movies, the fully booked, and to restaurants. She'd always cook for me whenever I visited and we would bond over our love for Michael Jackson and interest in politics much to Andy's annoyance. Tipikal sa mga nanliligaw, sinikap ni Jake na makuha ang loob ni Jacqueline bilang ina ni Andy. By God's grace, a few months later, that daughter of hers who looked like a doll and almost never spoke, became the mother of my daughter, Ellie, and boy was Tita Jane the happiest. Panipi tuldok, hindi naging madali ang pagiging batang magulang nina Andy at Jake. Buti na lang at nandun si Jacqueline para kahit papaano ay gabayan ang dalawa. It wasn't exactly a smooth-sailing pregnancy showbiz-wise but being a nanay to Ellie seemed like the best thing that ever happened to Tita, sabi ni Jake. Dagdag pa ni Jake, in fact the trials Andy and I faced brought me and Tita Jane even closer. Siya ang kausap ko sa phone kapag may problema. Siya ang kainuman ko kapag may mas malaking problems. Hindi makakalimutan ni Jake kung paano siya tinulungan ni Jacqueline para makita at makasama si Ellie. There were just too many ways in which she would help me. But what stands out for me was during the times when I was dying to see or spend time with my daughter but couldn't, Tita was the one who would help me find ways. Recalled Jake. Kahit among oras kahit nasa taping pa siya, she would go out of her way para makasama ko si Ellie. Unfortunately ay nauwi sa hiwalayan ang relasyon nina Jake at Andy. Hindi kalaunan ay nanlamig na rin ang samahan at closeness ni Jake kay Jacqueline. Nawala na yung phone calls, text messages at inuman, malungkot na pahayag ni Jake. It genuinely pains me to admit that we have basically become almost strangers this past few years. Hi, hello, and thank you, na lang every time na sinusundo or hinahatid niya si Ellie sa akin. Malungkot na sambit ni Jake. Tita, if you're listening, salamat sa lahat-lahat and I'm sorry. Napakabigat nito, Tita, nagpaalam ka na lang bigla. Dama ang panghihinayang at pagsisisi ni Jake sa nasayang na panahon at kawalan nila ng communication sa huli. Ang daming sana naibalik pa natin kung paano tayo dati. Sana nahingan kita ng advice sa trabaho natin. Sana naka-eksena man lang kita. Sana napadalas pa sa'yo si Ellie, malungkot na turan ni Jake. Sana kinumusta kita nung malungkot ka at nag-iisa. Tita, sana makabawi ako sa'yo through Ellie. Pero huwag kang mag-alala dahil tinuruan mo ako at pinakita at pinaramdam mo sa akin kung paano maging mabuting magulang. Ellie would be okay, Tita, hindi ko siya pababayaan. Inihatid ang cremated remains ni Jacqueline sa The Garden of the Divine Word Columbary sa E. Rodriguez Sr. Avenue, Quezon City, nung araw ng Linggo, March 10, 2024.